Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for clicking. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to take very good care of your punani. As you know, I have been dropping videos on how to take care of your punani back to back on this channel. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you another recipe in which you can use to take good care of your punani. So this recipe will actually make you more sweeter. All right, this recipe will make your man crave for more, and this recipe will make your man cry like a baby beside you, and this will actually make your man to stay with you forever. As you know, men are moved by what they can feel, what they can hear, and what they can eat. All right, so most importantly, what trips a man a lot, what gets into a man's brain is what he can actually feel. All right, so this is one of the things you can do in order to keep your man wrapped inside your pocket. In short, guys, don't let me talk too much. Try this recipe and you're going to thank me later. If you're a kind of lady that your man or your partner normally complains about your the level of your libido, or you are always dry down there, you are always dry, trust me, this recipe is going to help you and change your story. All right, so without further say or do, let's just get right into today's video. The first ingredients I'm going to be working with is apple. So I'm just going to cut it down, but make sure to wash it before you cut it. So the next ingredient I'm going to be working with in this video is ginger. All right, so I'm just going to cut it. So I'm just going to peel it like so. Just peel it, but make sure it is washed. It must be hygienic. All right, so I'm just going to cut it down like so. All right, so I'm just going to transfer this into the blender. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. All right, it's just more like so. I'm just going to blend it, but I'm not going to show you the process of blending here in this video, but make sure you blend till it is smooth. All right, so I'll be right back to show you what it looks like, and also what you are going to add with it to get a punani sweetener. Guys, this is actually a sweetener. See, you are going to testify. This recipe is fire. It's going to work. This is what the paste is looking like. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and sieve this. So you guys, this is what it is looking like after extracting the juice. And the last ingredient is honey, organic honey, guys. Make sure you lay your hands on 100% honey, pure honey, I mean to say. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take like a half tablespoon, and I'm just going to mix it together till everything blends well together. All right, so this is how you are going to use this. You know, before meeting your partner, you just have to take this, a glass cup of this, you know, recipe or mixture or juice, whichever one you call it. Just take a glass of it 1 hour before the game begins. All right, so that you are going to see the best result out of this punani sweetener. All right, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope this video is informative and educative. All right, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like this video, make sure to share this video. All right, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It is very, very important, guys, so as for me to know that you want me to create more of this video. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video.